Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Greg with Idea Trading Ideas, and today is June 29th, 2021. We're going to be talking about our trade idea number 15. It's going to be with Lipozine, ticker symbol LPCN. And as you can see, we have their webpage up on the screen. Obviously, we would like to show the webpage for whatever stock that we're dealing with so that we show you guys, hey, you can always go on the webpage, pick up any information that you want to know, right? What you want to learn about.
Much to learn, you still have.
Obviously, we have our investors relations tab right here. We can click on that, and we have email alerts, fact sheets, and corporate presentations, right? You can click on any one of those, find out information. We have press releases. It shows you June 23rd, they made a press release, June 16th, June 14th, June 7th, right? And as you scroll down, they have the About Lipozine Inc. So you can find out a little bit of information about that, just reading through management, directors, and presentations. And then you have stock info showing you that the stock price right now is $1.44. There's no change as of right now. The volume is 6.8K. And then the market cap is 127.1 million, right? They're showing you their SEC filings that you can download and take a look through. And then the different events that they had taking place, right? So you can always go to their website and find out information. You can also go to places like Yahoo Finance and get third-hand information. I like to just go straight to the website though, right? So we're going to move forward to our Robinhood account. And as you can see, we have a portfolio value of $9,863.10. Now, as you can see, portfolio is moving around. We obviously have dropped down a bit since yesterday. And as you can see, on the 25th, we had a high of about $10,275, right? And since then, we've dropped back down. So what we're going to do is go ahead and bring you to our Lipozine stock, which is LPCN, it's a ticker symbol. Go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, we're at $1.44 right now. So we're down negative 0.35%, right? So they're not actually showing it in pennies yet because it hasn't moved in pennies. But let's go on through the weekly chart real quick. Weekly chart says that we're up by 9 cents or positive 7.09%. Monthly chart says that we're up 21 cents or positive 16.67%. 3-month chart says that we're down with no change or negative 0.35%. 1-year chart says that we're up 35 cents or positive 31.65%. And the 5-year chart says that we're down $5.56 or negative 79.47%, right?
Patience. Use the force. Think.
We're going to scroll down and show you where I'm at in this stock, right? Our average cost is $1.54. We own 400 shares. It's 7.80% of our portfolio diversity. And today's return is negative $2 or negative 0.35%. Total return is negative $41 or negative 6.67%. And remember what I always tell you guys, just because it says the total return is negative doesn't necessarily mean that you're negative. Remember, we're doing covered calls on stocks like this, which means that we're gaining extra money as the time goes on. And what I mean by that is I'm going to show you guys right here, option contracts. It's showing you that I have 4 option contracts in place right now. It says the total value is negative $20 as of right now. But what we're going to do is scroll down and go to our history and click on show more. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of our history, right? Where we show that we bought 300 shares, but we also show our covered call option contracts. We're going to pull up the calculator real quick, make sure it's clear. And we're going to start adding up the amount of money we've picked up, right? So that's $27 that we picked up. Scroll up, picked up 45 right there. We're already at positive 72. We picked up 15 right there. That's 87. We bought another 100 for $120. We picked up another 20 right here. That's $107. So far, we are up $107 on this deal. This is how much money we've picked up from the covered call contracts. We're going to click back real quick and scroll up, and remember, it says that we're down 41, right? So from what our price is right now, 144, to our average cost of 154, we're down $41. So you can obviously pull the calculator up and just go minus 41. And you'll see that we're still positive by $66. So right now, even though the price is at $1.44, $44, we're still up by $66, right? Because we've been doing covered call option trades, right? So we own 400 shares, and what we're going to do is show you guys how to do this option trade, right? So we're going to click on trade LPCN options, and first thing we want to do is change that buy to a sell and make sure that we have call clicked on as well, right? So right now you can take a look at it, and for the $1.50 strike, which is right here, strike price, they're willing to give us 10 cents for the $1.50 strike price. This is going to expire on July 16th, right? So this is a premium. All these things right here on the side, 10 cent is 10 cent times 100 shares, right? Which is going to be $10. So right now, if we decided to buy 200 more shares, they'll give us $20 up front for saying that we're willing to sell. And I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So you're going to click on the positive sign, right? And then as you can see, it says short call, $1.50 call, negative 10 cent. Total credit is going to be 10 cent, right? Remember, that's going to be 10 cent times 100 shares. Scroll down, take a look at expected profit and loss. We have positive $10. And then we go down here, we have a max profit of 10, max loss unlimited, and the break even is $1.60. So what is it saying is, as it goes up in value, it can go up to $1.60 and you'll break even. Anything after that is going to be a max loss, but it's actually not a loss. It's actually a money that you'll be foregoing, meaning you said you would sell at $1.50, so you're not going to make anything from $1.50 to $2, or if it went up to $5 or $100. All that money you just let go because you decided, hey, I would sell it at $1.50. So you're not actually going to be at a loss. You're just going to be giving away potential profits that you could have made. Anyway, we're going to scroll up once again, click on continue. And as you can see, if we put 2 in like so, we're going to have a 10 cent credit right here, expires. It says good for the day, so this is us putting it in. And then minimum credit is going to be $20, right? We click on review, it'll go through. They'll give you $20 right then. So for us, what we want to do is actually go ahead and purchase 200 more shares. So what we're going to do is go back to the actual charts, right? So looking at it at $1.44, and we're just going to say, hey, screw it. We're going to go ahead and just buy it. So we'll click right here. We want to make sure it's a limit buy, and we'll go ahead and put our price in for $1.44. We'll put in 200 shares. It's going to be $288, and then allow this order to execute during extended hours. And we're going to click review order, right? We're going to go ahead and buy and then put done. So just like that, we put the order in. Now we just have to wait. We can go over here to message just to see what's going to happen. Nothing's happened yet, so we haven't bought the shares just yet. We can kind of scroll down. Bam, just like that, we picked up the shares, right? So our average cost just changed to $1.51. We have a total market value of $858, right? So we're still negative $45 on this deal, and it's 11.30% of our portfolios. Now we own 600 shares. So what we're going to do is we can look at the messages right there to show, hey, updated. They pretty much, I bought my shares, right? So what we're going to do is go back down to trade LPCN options, and we can still go with the $20 if we want to, or we could decide to take it on over to August 20th, which is what I want to do, and they're offering 23 cents, right? We're going to make sure that we have sell call clicked on, and what we're going to do is go ahead and click on that plus sign. And in this case, it's the same information that I went over, but they're willing to give us 20 cents for this particular deal, right? We're going to click on continue. We're going to put 2 in, and we're going to change that back to 23 and see what happens. That's $46 out the deal. They're probably only going to give us the 20 cents, but we're going to click on review, and it's telling us, hey, LPCN options below $3, trade in 5-cent increments. Do you want to update your limit price to 23 from 23 to 20 cent, right? We're going to go ahead and update. We're going to click on review, right? And basically saying you're agreeing to sell 200 shares of LPCN at $150 on or before August 20th. If you aren't asked to sell LPCN by then, you'll keep the collateral, then the full the full 40 in credit, right? So click on submit, and just like that, it's done. We'll click on messages, and we have a new update, or we haven't seen our update. But scroll down, it says hurrah. And what we'll do is go back one. We have quite a bit of stuff going on. Go back one and just click on LPCN just to show you exactly what's going on, right? We scroll down and we see the contracts. We can go over here to right here, history. 1.5 call expires on 8/20, and we took $40 for that deal. So just like that, we've just gotten paid $40 up front. This is going to expire on August the 20th, right? So we basically have about 45 days, something like that, until this particular one expires. But we filled in a gap in a sense, right? We were negative $45 all in all. And let's just go back and take a look real quick. We're negative 42 and we just picked up $40. So actually we're like negative 2 or something like that right now.
You must be very proud.
And if the price goes up past 150, hey, so be it. We still are going to be positive in terms of the amount of money that we've picked up when it comes to our cover calls. Anyway, hopefully you guys understand what I just did when it comes to these cover call options. And hey, obviously you don't have to do it with 100 shares, 200 shares. Obviously I have 600 shares out there right now that I'm doing cover calls on. You obviously can go in by 1,000, so on and so forth, and make this money happen, right? So this is going to be passive income that you're going to be creating for yourself. And especially with Lipozine, it's going to be obviously a monthly deal, right? Because these contracts expire every month, right? Except when you start getting to the January, February, well, that's a month, but this is going to be your long leaps type contracts, January 2023, right? So there's money that can be made. And I just want to show you guys how to do it. Anyway, if there's anything I can help you guys with in terms of learning how to do these covered calls better, other stocks you would like for me to go over, hey, just drop me a comment. Please like, subscribe, comment to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support. You guys have a great day. Bye.